The Wallaroo.AI Inference Server Free Edition enables an efficient, easy and flexible method to stand up a standalone inference serving endpoint on an Azure VM. We have a number of common AI use cases such as computer vision and LLMs to choose from across a variety of different architectures. Once you select the VM of your choice, click Create. This will take you right into the settings, and there's a few things we want to go through here, like set our resource group. We want to give it a unique virtual machine name, and then we also want to select the region. You want to select the region that's closest to you for speed. Finally, in this section, we will choose our availability and our security options. Now, we will take the defaults for everything else, and we can see that we're ready to go once validation has passed. We will click Create, and then that will start our deployment. We will download and save our new key pair, and in a matter of minutes, we're ready to go with our VM. Now, we can see that it's running, and the proof is in the pudding, right? So we want to test this, so we want to run an inference against this endpoint, and so we'll do this from a Jupyter notebook. Now, in the previous window that we had in Azure, we want to get our DNS name from there, and we'll put that into our hostname field, because what we're going to do is check our pipelines and our models, make sure that they're running, and then we'll inference our endpoint. So we can see successfully running, and then we can see our outputs and also the speed, super fast. In a matter of minutes, we have deployed an inference endpoint and run an inference successfully. Now, these free inference servers are ideal for data scientists, for machine learning engineers, and ML ops engineers. They are all available for free from the Azure Marketplace, so make sure you give them a try and then check back from time to time, as we will be adding new VMs to this list. You can also download our free community edition from portal.wallaroo.community and expand your skills as well through using this on any cloud of your choice. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.